Hello everyone, I want to say some words about the Meteor Strike event will take place from 2 days until now. So that's the first page of the event. As you can see down there, it's explained how it works. Now we have some chests in there, and the mechanic of this event is to collect the meteor will appear on the night of the reset between Friday and Saturday. So in Italy will take place at 3 a.m. Of Saturday. So on the reset, the midnight of Saturday of the server. The mechanic of this event is quite simple. We have to collect this meteor will appear on this map, in this part of this map, in the mud. So now that's the space of the mud, okay? But when meteor takes place, the mud will be extended until this boundary, okay? So all this zone will be covered in mud. You won't lose your shield even if you don't participate in the event of the server reset. Will you be you will be teleported random in the map outside the mud zone. This event has a unique mechanic. It takes place 2 times in the day. The first slot is the midnight of the server, so the server reset, as I spoke before. Then will be at 3 o'clock, so the 12 the 12 of the day, so the 12 p.m. 12 a.m. and the point you have to collect, you will have points based on how much time you collect the meteor, and there are 3 types of meteor. I will show you. Oh fuck. Okay, so the first one is 40 point seconds. The small meteor you can have. The second one is 80, and the third and last is 160 per second. Of course, better meteor will be claimed by the most powerful players. So you have to be careful. In this event, will participate foreigner servers. So it's Saturday, it's kill day, they will attack you. So be careful. Let's move together. Let's move rain shielding us in using these tricks. We can cover up from themselves and cover up our members to have more chances to stay alive and don't be teleported. Even if you don't have any meteor, you will gain points if you stay in the mud. As you can see, collecting the first mine and staying in the mud gives you the same amount of points per second. So having the first meteors it's equal to have a single meteor of 80 per second. Is not that bad. My personal advice I want to share you is don't take the last meteor. Go for 40 and 80 if you are on with weak squads. You are an apprentice of this game, okay? If you are more powerful, you can claim the last ones. But the better strategy is to attack your opponents. Of course, we can't attack the same alliance, the same server alliances that participate in this event. Only foreigner servers. We don't have enemies on this server, okay? Go obliterate the thought about enemies in our same server. Even if we have problem with friend and other alliances, they are not enemies. They are rivals, but not enemies. Okay, so all this area will be mud. There will be meteor. The event lasts 30 minutes and 2 chances of getting all the chests. Of course, these chests are to be opened only during the time of the event, so you have 2 chances to get those chests. Prices are similar to SVS, so it's not that bad. And we can save more troops because yes, you take attacks, but not so frequently. Okay. I think I say to you all, if some other thoughts will come in my mind, I will share to you by announcements or mails. Okay? Have a good day, and let's see Saturday for this new event. It's cool. It's a cool event. I personally prefer SVS, but it's a cool event, and we can gain more troops preparing for the next weeks of SVS. Bye bye. See you next time.